taking a little break for some rather unpleasant household chores. Want to join me? Hey, it's Care. Welcome to Matic at the Lake. If you're coming back time and again, I so appreciate you. If you're new here, I so appreciate you too. Thanks for stopping in. I got myself this little goodie, so this is sort of like an unboxing. Videos I watch, people do this all the time, and they have stickers and washi and everything just kind of matchy. There's no thought involved. It just seems so easy, and it just all falls together, and it's wonderfully creative and easy on the brain. So I saw this little kit on Amazon. I'll put the link below. Not an affiliate, just making it easier if you're interested. What I loved about it, number one, it's purple. Number two, it says, this little book says dance. I think it says dance in the moonlight. There's moon. There was something else in here too. I think maybe a paw print somewhere in here. I saw in the ad and I thought, it's missing. There's a crab. So I went straight away to Canva and started making myself a little purple crabs digikit. When it came, I was so surprised how tight the notebook is. Palm size. It's tiny. Everything in it is teeny. I don't know what I was expecting exactly. I knew it wasn't going to be 12 by 12, but a little bit bigger than that. I don't know. So I thought, that's just a waste of money. I don't think I'll keep it. Put it in my crazy craft room. Promptly forgot about it. So now it's way past the due date, and I've rediscovered it. And now that it's mine, all mine, I love it. So let's see what's in here, shall we? I think this would be fun for those days that I feel creative. I want to do something, but I'm tired. My brain is tired, and I don't have the capacity mentally to do creating. The other thing I like about it is I wanted it to be all self-contained, like all in one spot. I don't have to go to my overflow closet or my basket of goodies or my wall of supplies. It's all right here. If I want to play, I just grab. I'm going to put it all in this very handily coordinated, color coordinated tote, little school box. This is a warm mail gift. That's what it says right there. Warm M-A-I-L, that kind of mail. So it comes with its own little grid journal, and it's not too skimpy. I mean, it's a nice width. It's a warm mail notebook. Warm mail. Code for happy mail. Letter. Teeny tiny. Letter from Moonlight, it says. Designed and manufactured in China, just in case you were wondering. Life and segment. Feels nice. Good and sturdy. Yes. Teeny tiny little washi tape. Feels like I'm walking on the clouds. Something and turned to gold. Just plain purple. I have to say, this washi looks pretty dollar store-ish. I think the whole kit might have been maybe $14, so I don't know why I would expect more. Oh, there's nothing so irritating as trying to lift tapes. This little funky palette knife comes in handy for 1,000 things other than scraping paint. Yeah, washi tape is about $1. It's not as plasticky as the $1.25 trees. Theirs is so stiff and plasticky. It's pretty good. It'll stick. It'll be fine. It'll be fun. And it matches. Yay me. Note paper. Different sizes. So in the squares, are they all the same? Yep. Memo to self. Pause. Rewind. Fast forward. And then the phases of the moon. Cute. Feels like super thin watercolor paper. It has a bit of a tooth to it. I don't know if you can see it in the various light, but it's nice feeling. Very nice. What else is in here? A checklist. This too feels toothy. Checklist. Look for something positive in each day. Date, issue. Have a nice day. And then there's the little pup. Wonderful day. The future is magic. Tulips. I'm gonna have to cover up the tulips because tulips. Anyway, love them in my garden. Don't want them in my journal. Note paper. This is cute. I would use that for something. A little belly band or two. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, these are kind of cool. They're vellum stickers. Oh, and they're upside down. Let's. I was thinking, holy smack, they're so pale. If we turn them the right way around, they're quite a bit brighter. Little faux postage stamp stickers. The moonlight, good things, life, good luck, be happy, keep smile. Ugh, keep smile. I don't think I've ever done an unboxing before. It's kind of fun. There. That was probably the deciding factor, the little pup. It was moon, purple, and there were dogs involved. I'm in. So these are just little things you glue in. Oh, look. Daily reminder, keep smiling. Remember why you started. Spread love and positivity. Hey, bud. Almost done. Oh, he's fun. Little space dude. Orbiting the Earth. Just some fun pictures, clouds, moons, a lot of moonscapes. You know, and then there's random strawberries. You are what you love. I love my dogs. How you doing, Butter? Some of these are shiny, some are not so shiny. This one's perforated, so you'd have a round frame. This one, a couple of them are perforated. I don't know what that says. Anybody want to translate it? Anybody? Anybody? Oh, kitties. Fun little frames. Did I miss that the first time? The on part? Probably. And then these are little perforated something or other. Oh, there's lots of them. So tear them apart, leave them together. Those are fun. Oh, that's fun. CMYK colors. Huh? That's really cool. Looks like the ships that my uncle sails on. The boats. This is a very common sight off the shores of where I live. More kitties. They're beautiful, silhouetted. Why aren't there any dog silhouettes, please? Lots of moons. Love that. Purple seal line. Seal line? Everything will be fine. Bright moonlight. Like the stars. It's just little fun things to collage with. Or use as the base for the page, or who knows. Enjoy the song. Oh, cute. Little CD. Lovely. Starry, starry night. Look out on a summer's day. Paint your palette purple and gray. Yes! Colors changing hue. Very fun. Stickers. Different shaped. Oh, look how many. Look how fun. Vellum sticker sheets. More vellum sticker sheets, but this with moons and pretties. More vellum sticker sheets. Take your dreams seriously. Yes. Enjoy the process. I really have to get better at that. I do. What are these? A whole bunch of little... Does that help? I think Chinese. Can it go that way then? I don't know. I don't know. These are fun little stickers. Are they stickers? Yup. Little stickers. Very fun. Then there's all we can do is work it out. When your dreams come alive, you are unstoppable. Take a big step forward, embrace the unknown. Little dot stickers. Goofy little cherub, angel, something or other. I have to cover him up because I don't do cute necessarily. Unless it's a dog. Then I guess there's different levels of cute in my world, and dogs are cute. Sunrise. Wow, that took me some doing. Could you smell the smoke? My brain trying to jack that. These are just, oh, that's another reason. When I saw Blueberry Nights, are you kidding me? I had to have it. I'm glad I didn't send it back. Moon purple and Blueberry Nights with dogs. For God's sake. This is some of that. It's pretty thick, toothy. I'd say super light watercolory style paper. Blank, so one-sided, but real pretty. This one's pretty thin, this one's thick, and these are pretty thick. These are cardstocky pretty much. This is just not as much. So I guess for $14, it's really not that bad of a deal. And like I said, I'm going to store it all in this little school thing that I got a million years ago. I found this down. I told you I have a basement haul for you one of these days. It's all stacked up, waiting to be dealt with. But there was a tiny little scrapbook kit in there that I took a lot of the stuff out. But there were these little purple flowers that I thought, whatever, that I thought would go in this book. I mean, it couldn't match any better than, because not all purples would. And I also got, for Christmas this year, a notepad that at the bottom of it has these wonderful moons. So as I use the notes, I've been cutting the moons out and keeping them for this as well, so that I have that to play with in this kit too. And I think that's good fun for $14. Lots of fun stuff to play with. I'll have to organize it a little bit better so it's not just a mishmash of stuff crammed in this box. But for now, I'm going to cram it all in this box and call her good, because I have to get back to my nasty little projects. You know, I love being a homeowner, but some days are far better than others. So there's one project and another project that I can play with. If you've ever been curious about what's in these little kits, now we know. You know, they're not real big, but this would be a perfect travel kit. I've been carrying my bone folder and my fussy cutting scissors around in this glasses case, so I could just grab that, one of my crazy glue sticks, and go. Is it gonna fit? Oh, like a dream. So if ever I just want to go, or just want to sit down, take something out into the living room for a change, because I spend very little time out there, and just craft out there. I got everything I need right here. I don't need anything else. I think that's a pretty cool thing for $14. And they had all different kinds. Of course, you don't have to get Dancing in the Moonlight on Blueberry Nights with dogs. You don't have to get this one. There's all kinds of different ones. So I encourage it. Sure, buy yourself something fun and have a lovely, lovely crafty day. Love up your Beasleys. And I'll take you at the lake up for now.